Here is a legal question for you. If you're at the scene of a crime, or the scene of a collision as in my case, where there is physical evidence, what is the one thing you never do if you don't have the authority or permission to do so? You don't touch the evidence. Take a wild guess as to what this West Peculiar Fire Department EMT decided was a good idea.
With you?
Yeah, it's in my bag, but what are you going to do?
I'm going to straighten out your
I'd rather you not do that.
Why is that?
I want to get it taken to a shop and appraised. Because if you do something unwittingly, guess who's paying for it?
Sure. Well, that's an easy fix.
I appreciate it.
Can't break your bike right there fixing your deals. You could probably ride that home.
Yeah, that front wheel's bent.
Are you a fucking moron? God.